What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see right here on my dashboard, guys, my Pi token has finally been migrated to Mainnet after waiting for about 5 years and some months. Okay, as you can see up here, my total Pi actually mined was about 2,588.4 Pi so far, and I have an unverified balance of about 951.92 Pi, guys. Okay, so these are persons who didn't verify their KYC and they registered using my referral link. Okay, so Pi didn't add this balance right here to my transferable balance because this balance has not been verified. Okay, so that is basically why it's still there. And down below here that says migrated to mainnet, about 1,309.1 Pi was migrated to my mainnet balance, guys. Okay, so this was the amount of money that they actually migrated for me. So lastly, guys, down below here that says forfeited and penalties, about 327.27 Pi was deducted from my Pi balance as a result of penalty. Okay, so this happened as a result of me not using my real name in opening my Pi account, as at when I actually opened my Pi account. Okay, so that was the reason why all this stuff happened, and they actually had to forfeit about 327.27 Pi in order for me to change my name. Okay, so that was why they actually deducted this balance from my Pi account. So that is the reason for the forfeited and penalties section you see right here. Okay, so guys, in this video today, I'm going to be making a withdrawal of my migrated Pi straight down into my centralized wallet, so you guys can see exactly how you can make withdrawals. Plus, we're also going to be checking how much this Pi right here is worth currently, guys. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it, so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what we'll do here is we'll give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my Pi account dashboard right now. So if I actually hit on this three hamburger sign up here, and then I hit on the mainnet section right here, guys. Okay, and I scroll down below and hit on this place that says mainnet checklist. It's going to load up, guys. Okay, let's give this some time. Here we are. So if I actually scroll down below here, as you can see, the migrate to mainnet section down below here is actually showing green because I've actually been migrated to mainnet already, guys. Okay, so how do I actually go over to my mainnet wallet and withdraw my balance straight down into my centralized wallet? So guys, it's quite easy. All I just simply do is hit on this back arrow right here, and then over here that says migrated to mainnet, I just simply hit on this place right here that says view wallet. Okay, I'm going to hit on it right now. So it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. Okay, guys, so here we are. So over here that says wallet, I'm going to hit on wallet right now. It's going to load up. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says unlock with fingerprint, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on it. Okay, guys, so as you can see over here, about 1,309.06 Pi was migrated to my Pi wallet, but I just have an available balance of 980.80 Pi currently. Okay, so this actually means that I can only withdraw 980.80 Pi at the moment. Okay, so the reason is because 327.26 Pi was actually locked on my balance. As you can see right here, I just opened it right now. As you can see, it's locked until 2026-04-12. Okay, so that is the time at which they actually gave me before they can actually unlock this 327 Pi you see right here, guys. All right, so right now, guys, the big question is how can you make a withdrawal? Okay, so guys, it's quite easy. All you just simply do is over here that is pay/request, you just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, and over here that is manually add wallet address, you just simply hit on it. So over here that says wallet address, you just simply paste your Pi wallet address you copied from your gate.io account right there. And over here that says 0.00, you just simply input the amount of Pi you actually want to withdraw. As you can see, I'm about to withdraw 980 Pi right now. So I'm going to scroll down right here, guys. Okay, so over here that says send, I'm going to hit on send right here. Okay, so as you can see, it says you're about to send 980.8 Pi. Do you recognize this pioneer? Okay, so this is actually me right now. So I'm going to hit on confirm down below here, guys. Okay, but make sure you actually, are using a very good wallet to, send your Pi. Else, you're going to lose your Pi, guys. All right, so that is it. I'm going to hit on confirm. So it's going to load up right now, guys. So let's give this some time. So as you can see right here, it says error is sum of amounts and transaction fee cannot be greater than Pi. So I'm going to go back and just decrease it to 980 Pi right now. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to scroll down again. Okay, I'm going to hit on send again, guys. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. Boom, as you can see right now, it says transfer succeeded. Okay, please refer to the history page for the full history of transaction. So I'm done with this transaction right now. So I'm just going to go to the history page and just check, okay, to see Okay, so as you can see up here, guys, it says minus 980 pi. All right, so this actually means that I've actually transferred the sum of 980 pi to my gate.io pi wallet address. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for some couple of few minutes until I actually receive this money into my gate.io account. And when I actually do receive this money, guys, I'm going to be showing you all the proof. Okay, so guys, I'm going to pause this video right now. So let's go. Boom, guys, as you can see right here, I currently have 980 pi on my balance right now, which is worth about 207.61 USDT, as you can see right here. Okay, so right now, guys, the next step would be selling my pi coin to USDT, okay, by going over to the spot market. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says trade. It's going to load up. Okay, here we are. So over here that says sell, I'm going to hit on sell. Then over here that shows this toggle, and I'm going to toggle it to the fullest, guys, as you can see, 100%. And down here that says sell pi, I'm going to hit on sell pi. So let's just give this some time, guys. As you can see, it says order field. Okay, so I just sold my pi coin to USDT right now, guys. Okay, so to confirm this right now, just simply hit on asset and just refresh. Okay, it's going to load up. Okay, so as you can see, my USDT balance is now 207.336 USDT, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can sell your pi coins to USDT after you have actually been migrated to mainnet, guys. Okay, so that is basically how easy and simple it is. All right, so guys, this is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly leave this video a thumbs up. If you're actually new right here on this channel, kindly smash on that subscribe button, guys. Thank you all for watching this video once more. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.